The function of refrigerator is first, keeping germs from growing fast. By cold temperature is to slow down the tiny germ like bacteria, mold to make our food go bad. So our meat, food and vegetable last much longer, keeping them safe to eat. Second is keeping our food tasty and healthy. The cold also slow down the natural change that make food lose the flavor, feel mushy and change the color. This keep our food much more nutrient. Third is refrigerator as our storage for groceries product. And last one, refrigerator as a chiller and making ice is providing a cold water and ice cube, which is useful in the hot weather, right? The background of refrigerator. In the ancient time, people used natural and the local climate to keep their food fresh. They took advantage of the cool water sources, often putting food directly into cold river or lake to cool it down. In the cold area, they could cut blocks of the ice from the frozen water and the storage and store them in a special place inside building called ice house. If these options were not available, they create simple refrigerations by digging pits in the ground, filling them with snow or ice. To prevent the cold from escaping the ice from the melting quickly, they carefully cover this storage area with insulated material like straw and sawdust. Okay, I will present on the refrigerator design trend. Starting with how refrigerator looked in the early 90s. Refrigerator were not electronic at all. People use wooden ice box which rely on the large box of ice plates inside to keep the food cold. There were no button, no screen and no temperature control. The only interface was a simple door you open it to access the ice compartment.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Nazira Ahmadi binti Ramli. My metric number 1221802. Today, I will be presenting on refrigerator design trends, starting with how refrigerators look in 1920s and 1930s. Electric refrigerators began replacing iceboxes. These models introduced very basic user controls, usually simple mechanical knobs or levels to adjust cooling levels. There were no numbers or digital indicators. Users just turned a dial label low, medium or high to change the temperature. Next, in the 1950s, refrigerator was small to fit in compact kitchens. Their interface was simple, using mechanical temperature dials, a small freezer compartment, interior lights, and basic indicator lamps. The focus was on convenience, reliability, and a compact design. By the 1970s, refrigerator interfaces become more modern. Manufacturers introduced clearer numbered temperature settings, improved lighting, better insulation, and early version of electronic components. Design also became larger and more stylish, but the control was still mostly mechanical. In the 1980s, refrigerators included server door models with a door within a door designed for easy to access frequently used items. Some could dispense water and ice through the door, while others allowed ice to be obtained without opening the freezer. They were available in side-by-side, top freezer, and bottom freezer configurations. In the 1990s, stainless steel refrigerators became popular for their sleek, modern look durability, and ease of cleaning. They were available in side-by-side, top freezer and bottom freezer configurations with features like ice and water dispensers, adjustable shelving, and humidity control crisper drawer.
My name is Nurul Busha Shwadat binti Muhammad. My matrix number 122837. For the refrigerator design trends, in the 2000 and 2010, refrigerators became smarter and more connected. Many models introduced touchscreen, digital menus, and Wi-Fi connectivity. The smart displays could show recipes, shopping lists, calendars, and even let users control the fridge using a smartphone app. The refrigerator evolved into a multitasking home device. Today, designers are exploring futuristic refrigerator concepts like biorobot cooling system, transparent OLED displays, and fully automated compartments. This interface may not even need buttons or screen. Instead, sensors, AI, and automatic cooling system will adjust settings on their own for maximum efficiency. In conclusion, refrigerators have evolved significantly from basic icebox to advanced smart appliance, improving food preservation and everyday convenience. Each generation introduced new features such as better cooling system, digital controls, and future-ready innovation like biorobot technology. Overall, the refrigerator revolution reflects continuous progress in design, technology, and also user needs. That's all from us. Thank you.